Hi, I'm Brian with Firewire. Today we're going to talk about our LED switchback bulbs. Some of you may be wondering what a switchback is. A switchback converts your amber running lights into a white running light, and then when you turn your turn signal on, it goes back to amber. Now when you convert your turn signals over to LEDs, they do tend to hyperflash, so you will need a load resistor. These come with load resistors in the package. So all of our customers always tell us how bright our lights are, how clear they are, and how easy they are to install. They really like the fact that everything is included in the packaging and they don't have to source any other products. Now let's go to Corey so he can install them.